The competition is heating up. When my dry spell is going to end?
Things have slowed down big time. Need a miracle now to get up and get going.
Paper everywhere, but I wonder my data. My info is where? This is an SOS call.
The solution to all your worries is Batchmaster ERP.
My expenses are already too high. Can't afford a new ERP.
ERP isn't an expense child, it's an investment. But for businesses like yours, there is Cloud ERP.
Cloud ERP? But what about the data security?
I believe it takes long. Don't have much time.
Is it scalable? And how much will it cost?
You guys must be kidding, aren't you? 9 out of 10 businesses are using Cloud ERP to stay ahead in the networked economy. It ensures complete digital data security and also has a disaster recovery facility running 24/7. With Cloud ERP, deployment and implementation are fast and painless. It grows with you to meet your future needs. What's more, it is cost-effective too. Get more customers, make savings on cost and other resources, invest those resources on innovation and stay ahead of the competition with Cloud ERP. Realize the power of Cloud ERP. Switch to Batchmaster ERP on Cloud.